Hey guys, it's WireZap, and today I have a surprise unboxing. I have two boxes here. I know what one of them is for sure, and the other one, not really quite sure what it is. So, I think I'm going to get to the big box on first. The big box is my Xbox 360, which I had to send into Microsoft to get repaired. And this small box right here, I have no idea what it is. So, I mean, we'll find out, but I have no idea what it is. It looks like, okay, check contents before accepting, all that. Alright, and let's see here. I had the 3 red rings, the red ring of death, whatever you want to call it. I had just gotten UFC Undisputed 2009, so I was really kind of upset that happened, but I now have it back, and we'll find out here. What I'm interested to find out is what my serial number is, if they gave me the same Xbox back, because this has happened 3 times to me already. Okay, so in the package here, when you unbox your newly repaired Xbox, it gives you your downloaded content from Xbox Live and stuff like that. You need to restore all that crap. Okay, how you must reconnect your controller to your console. Nothing major here. Let me lift this out. It does look like it's the same exact Xbox. Does not look like they sent me a new one here. Okay. Put these pad things around it. Okay, let's get rid of the box. Okay. Now, okay. Alright, so this is the Xbox. It's the same one I had before. Okay, nothing different. Not really happy about that, but that's okay. And then they gave me a free month of Xbox Live. I already have Xbox Live, but thank you for the free month. Okay. And I think now I might know what this other box is, but we're gonna find out. So let's get to it. There's the Xbox. Now it is from a different. It's from a different city. It's from the same state, but a different city. So it could be part of my Xbox. I think I might have sent in my power cord with it, but I'm not quite sure. It's poorly packaged though, whatever it is. Okay. Let's see here. Yeah, okay. So looks like I have a brand new power cord. This is not the same power cord I had. Okay, so they gave me a new power cord here to my Xbox, all its components and everything, so that maybe my power supply was the issue. Okay. Just a quick tip here. Whenever your Xbox has the 3 red lights, my suggestion to you is to send it to Microsoft as opposed to getting it fixed somewhere else. Anytime you get your Xbox fixed somewhere else, they're going to charge you money for it. Under your Xbox warranty, or under the Xbox warranty, even if you only have the limited 1 year, they will fix the red lights for free for as long as you have your Xbox, okay? It extends your warranty for that, okay? So just make sure that you send it to Xbox, okay? And you will send it to the UPS store. They aren't providing their own box anymore. That's kind of disappointing, but you will have to get your own box, okay, and put some peanuts or little styrofoam things in it. Send it off via UPS is what they ask for, okay. They'll send you in an email a little slip to put on it, a little mailing slip, okay, so you don't have to pay for that. And let's see here, then they'll get it in about a week and a half or so, business days equivalent. So maybe 7 business days. Yeah, it takes a while. I mean, depending on where you live though, because they're headed in Texas. So I was in Ohio. It's kind of a long way. And they will fix the Xbox and send it back. You can check via Microsoft.com or Xbox.com your repair status, whether they've gotten it, fixed it, sent it back, confirmed that they have it, all that stuff. So, and they give you a free Xbox Live thing. I'm kind of disappointed that they didn't give me a new Xbox, because this has happened for the 3rd time. I still do have the same serial number. Okay, but make sure if you do have the red ring of death, call Microsoft. Or call Microsoft. Okay, you can go online to Xbox.com, get the number. You have to give them your name, your phone number, your address, and the serial number for your Xbox. They will set it up and send you an email. You do have to tell them your email as well, and they will set up a repair, and you send it in, and they do the repair and send it back. Okay, guys, thank you for watching my Xbox 360 Xbox 360 return unboxing, because it's returning from being repaired. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Please hit the big yellow button if you like what you see. Thanks for watching.